In a major product diversifications exercise, Tripura has come up with the bamboo cookies and bamboo-made honey bottles to promote Vocal for Local initiative of the Narendra Modi-led government. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb launched the bamboo cookies and bamboo-made honey bottle on the occasion of the World Bamboo Days. These products are expected to create employment opportunities in the state. Bamboo shoots are a very common delicacy in the northeastern state, especially among the tribals. Here's a report. On the occasion of World Bamboo Day on September 18, Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb launched bamboo shoot cookies and bamboo-made honey bottles. These products are expected to create employment opportunities in the state and were launched to promote the Vocal for Local initiative of the government. The cookies have been made of the Muli bamboo shoot, which is commonly known as sweet bamboo. It contains dairy fibers and less fat. The Bamboo and Cane Development Institute of Agartala made this unique cookies. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb on the occasion said the bamboo cookies and honey bottles are made naturally, which make them healthy and nutritious. It will generate livelihood opportunities for many and fulfill Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. According to the Chief of the Bamboo and Cane Development Institute Center in Tripura, Dr. Abhinav Kant, who conceptualized the idea of starting bamboo shoot cookies in the state in order to give diverse and additional income among the locals. These cookies have more food value than normal cookies, as the young bamboo shoots used for the preparations are not only delicious but are rich in nutrients, mainly proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins and fiber, and are low in fat and sugar.
Tripura Bamboo Mission is there. They are promoting bamboo-based livelihood activities, and it's like a harvester or who are taking out bamboo shoot from the forest area or from the rural area can get better price of this bamboo shoot. And the second employment generation option is like the bakery product. In a longer run, like if any tourist is coming in Tripura and they are going back, so they can get these cookies. This will be a sort of souvenir where because this is a very special product and innovative product.
Dr. Kant also said the bamboo shoot is perishable, therefore it has been fortified with wheat flour, which is also rich on dietary fibers and works as natural preservative. In Tripura, bamboo is one of the most economically important plants, as every part of the plant, culm, rhizome, root, leaves and young shoots can be used for different purposes. However, it is known more for its industrial uses and not as a source of food or medicine. Bureau Report.